Now let's look at how the Inventory Manager connects directly to your event maps. This is where the Inventory Manager becomes really powerful. Inside the map, over in the left-hand panel, you'll see the Inventory folder. This contains all available inventory items. You can place inventory items directly onto your map, just like any other object, by clicking onto the map. As inventory items are used, EventLab automatically tracks how many are available and how many have been allocated. So in this example, 88 chairs are within our inventory and one of them has been placed on the map. Once all items have been placed, the item becomes unavailable for further placement. So in this example where there's only one object, you can no longer click on it to place. If you've already created objects on your map, you can retrospectively link them to inventory items. So this chair was already placed. Simply select it and over in the right-hand panel, click Link to Inventory. Over here, you just select which item from your inventory it is and link it together. You can also unlink inventory items at any time. So if we see over in the left hand that there are currently 2 chairs in our inventory and we unlink this, that you'll see it's now gone through to 1. Now, adding to your inventory process works both ways. If you've placed an object on the map already and later decide that it should be part of your inventory, you can add it directly into the Inventory Manager from the map by clicking on the object and in the 3-dot menu in the top right, click Add to Inventory. Now it's been added to the inventory and you'll be able to see it listed inside our Inventory Manager. Inventory tracking is particularly useful for assets such as fencing, festoon line, cable ramps, and other quantity-based infrastructure. For example, over here in our fencing, we've got some temporary fence that we have 123 metres in our inventory. If I put a 13-metre section down on the map, you can see that it's put that in what we've currently used. If you draw more than what's available, so if we go ahead and draw 140 metres, it will give you the option to either split the line and use your inventory or use no inventory for it. So if we click to split the line, then you'll notice that we've got this large section that's using the inventory at 109 metres to use up our whole section. And then we've got this small section over here that would need to be given through by a supplier. In summary, by connecting your inventory directly to your maps, EventLab gives you visibility not just of where equipment is located, but also what is available, allocated, leased, damaged, or in use. This helps to reduce equipment shortages, improve planning accuracy, and ensure your team is always working with up-to-date inventory information.